Hello, Namaste. Good afternoon, all of you. So, my dear students, third class students, from your course book, you have opened page number 38. See, here what problem is there? A florist used 5,672 roses and 3,759 tulips in a month to make flower bouquets. How many flowers does he use in a month to make bouquets? See, a florist used 5,672 roses to make a flower bouquets. He also used 3,759 tulips to make flower bouquets. We need to find the total number of flowers the florist used in a month. To know this, we needed to add the number of roses and the number of tulips. So you can write here number of roses. Number of roses is equals to 5,672. Number of tulips. Number of tulips 3,759. So add the numbers and write the answer. See here, write the numbers in column according to their place values. See here, how many places are there? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. We can write. See here, the total number of the total number of roses and tulips is equals to the word problems, and the problems are in course book. You can write in your CW. See here, that is equals to 5,672 plus 3,759. So this is 4-digit number. It has 4 places. That is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. 5,672, 3,759. So the given numbers arranged in column wise according to their place values. See here, add the digits in ones place first. Add the digits in ones place first. That is 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9, what we get? 11. 11. In it, one taking and write under ones column, one is carrying it tens place. Now, we add the digits next. That is tens place along with carrying. See here, we can add the digits in tens place. 7 and 5. These are digits in tens place, and you can add 1 also because this is carrying in tens place. So we can add 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 means 3 taking right under tens column, 1 is carrying in hundreds place. We add the digits in hundreds place along with carrying digits. That is 1. So we can add 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. In it, 4 taking and right under hundreds column, 1 is carrying in thousands place. Now next, that is last place. We can add the digits in thousands place along with carrying digit. So 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. This is the single digit, you can write it here, 9. So the total number of roses and tulips that is equals to 9431. You can write down only. So the number of flowers the florist uses to make flower bouquets in a month is equals to 9431. 431. Write down everybody in your class work. కన్నారే అక్కడ కెమెరా తిప్పేటోళ్ళు ఎవరు లేరు బోర్డు కాడ వెళ్ళనప్పుడు రాదే. See here. Now next everybody open your activity book. So our course book is completed. Next activity book. Everybody write down in your CW. See here. This is the Astagen series. Everybody open your activity book. Class 3 volume 1 activity book. Okay. See here.
Okay.
Activity book. Everybody open activity book. Mathematics activity book. From activity book, everybody open page number 4. Shapes and special understanding. See here. Everybody open. See Nana. Shapes and special understanding. Okay. See here. Make 2D and 3D shapes on the dot grid using straight and curved lines. Few are done for you. Now I am taking next one. See here. One, two, three, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 2D shape. Now I can draw square by using 5 dots in each, 4 dots in each row and each column. See here, you can join 4 dots. You can join 4 dots like this. This is a square. Now next, these are the dots given in your activity book. See, you can choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. Draw a line along with dots, and down only you have to take 3 dots. This is side, and you can draw one line by using 5 dots, and you can draw one line by using 3 dots. Now next, you have to take this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to take 3 dots. You can draw a line, that is column, and you can draw one row. So you have to take 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can take this like that. Now we can join this, we can join this, we can join this, we can join this. What we get? We can get a cuboid. Now next, so next you can draw this like only. This is square, this is cuboid, and this is cone. So now I am taking, this is so I can draw this is cone shape. See. Now next is cylinder. tube light like. See. So now next second bit. Count the number of triangles in all the pictures and the number in the box. See, everybody listen carefully. Count the number of triangles in all the pictures and the number in the box. Count the number of triangles in all the pictures and number the box. See here, how many triangles are there? 1. Here, how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this figure, how many triangles are there? 1, 2. In this, how many triangles are there? 1, 2. Here, how many triangles are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, total add it. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17. You can write in the box 17 triangles like this only. So, you can write 1 triangle, 6 triangles, 2 triangles, 3 triangles, 5 triangles. Total how many triangles? 17 triangles. See here. First figure has 1 triangle, second figure has 6 triangle, third figure has 2 triangles, and fourth figure has 3 triangles, last figure has 5 triangles, total 17 triangles. So now next, let us learn to make a square, rectangle and triangles by folding papers. Take a paper and fold it as directed to cut the extra portion of the paper. Unfold the paper, observe the square. See here, now I am taking, this is the paper. Okay, I can fold it this like only. So the remaining portion I can cut by using scissor. So the waste of the paper I can cut it. Then open it. What is this? This is a square. This is a square. So you can fold this like only. So this is a triangle. This is triangle. You can fold again. And trace the paper. And trace the paper. Now you can open it. So you can see here 2 lines joining these corners. Means these are called diagonals. This is one diagonal and this is another diagonal. So square has four sides equal in length. A square has four sides equal in length and four corners. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners and two diagonals. We can join the opposite corners. You may make diagonal. So how many opposite corners? So you can draw a one diagonal. These opposite two corners. You can draw a one line segment. So you can get two diagonals in a square. This is a square. It has four sides in equal in length. It has four corners and it has two diagonals. This is called as square. Now this is triangle. What is this? This is triangle. See, observe this square. How many triangles are there in it? Four triangles. Triangle 1, triangle 2, triangle 3, triangle 4. So now this is the square. Next, take a rectangle sheet of paper, fold its opposite sides. This is the rectangular sheet of paper. Because opposite sides are equal in length. This side equals to this side is equals to this side. So then take a rectangular sheet of paper. Take a rectangular sheet of paper, fold its opposite sides and check they are equal. Fold the paper and cut it along the diagonals. See here, see. See, the opposite sides are equal in length. This is opposite sides equal in length. This is opposite sides equal in length. Then fold the paper and cut it along the diagonal. Observe the two triangles. See. See here. See, this is the diagonal. How many diagonals are there? It has also two diagonals. So you can join the corners of the rectangle. So that is the opposite sides corners. You can draw a line. So I cut it. What did you observe? See, we got triangles. These are the triangles and also these are the triangles. These triangles are same, but these triangles are, see, we observe these two triangles, this and that different, this and that different. You notice that the triangles formed from the square and rectangle are different. So these are the triangles from rectangle. So this is also triangles from square. So I can cut and show it. See, the triangles of sides are in equal in length, but this is called as scalene triangle. This is called as equilateral triangle. Then next, see here, page number 6. Draw a train using the 3D and 2D shapes. Color the shapes as directed. You can use the given picture as a reference to draw your train. See Nana, here train is shown. So same train you can draw somewhat big here and colored the train. Everybody, same train you can draw here, empty place. See here, page number 6. So this is the train. You can draw same train somewhat big in length. So everybody draw and colored the train. Now next page. Page number 7. Take the below mentioned solid shapes and place them in the given spaces. Draw each shape's boundary along its sides. Identify the shape is formed. See here, see here, page number 7. See here, this is the pencil box. You think this is a cuboid. So you can draw in empty place, you can draw cuboid figure. See here, this is the pencil box given in your activity book. So you can think and draw cuboid. So pencil box in the shape of cuboid, no? You can draw cuboid. This is the one rectangle. You can draw another rectangle. Then join those corners. So what we get? You can get a cuboid. Now next one. So this is the dice. So dice is in the shape of cube. Now cube means cube is a square in shape, no? So we have to take square and draw. Square means in a square all sides are equal in length. Join the corners. This is cube. So dice means that is cube. Next, conical cap. Conical cap means cone. 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 Now next last one is sphere. Ball. Ball means by using bangle you can draw. And compass also. Okay, this is sphere. Now next, page number 8, paste the sticker of the object which represents the name of the shape in each box. See here, page number 8, these answers are given last page of your activity book. See here, see page number 8, first one is triangle. First one is triangle, page number 8. So these answers are given in your activity book last page. Everybody pluck and paste here. Last page. See here, first triangle. Triangle means we have to take samosa. Samosa is the shape of triangle, no? Paste here. Dislike only you can do. Samosa is in the shape of triangle, no? You can paste it. Now next square. Next what? Square. Square means we have to take from the last page. See here, square means biscuit. This is square. Now next rectangle. From your last page, rectangle means this is chocolate. Rectangle. Now next circle. Watch. Circle. Now next cuboid. So this is sweet. Cuboid. Next cone. Chichbuddi. This is cone. Now next cube. Cube. Now next sphere. Laddu beta. So next cylinder. This is cylinder. So now next, okay, today your class is completed. Tomorrow next page number 9. Thank you everybody.